My name is Angel Mail. My mom was diagnosed with hereditary amyloidosis. I had decided recently that it was my time to get tested. You know, not everybody in my family is lucky enough to get a negative diagnosis. I met Dr. Kella. He worked with HATTR Compass to facilitate a testing day in my family. We were able to test 27 family members in one day.
We found out that Angel was setting up the genetic testing for all of our family. And when I found that out, I wanted to get tested right away. I received a phone call from Dr. Kella, and I knew before he told me an answer that it was going to be positive.
HATTR is a disease that's inherited. The problem with the disease is that it gets worse and worse over time. So genetic testing is a very important subject in this disease. So the COMPASS program is a confidential testing program that Ambry Genetics provides to patients who are being tested for HATTR.
Genetic counselors are equipped to allow the patient to make the best decision they can make for themselves and are trained in providing good informed consent.
It's now important to know if you have the disease or not, because like I said, it's a treatable disease. And it turns out that the earlier you get treated, the better off you are.